Rev up your ride with the hottest Amazon Black Friday deals on car gadgets. This is your ultimate chance to upgrade your vehicle with cutting-edge tech at unbeatable prices. From smart dash cams to powerful tire inflators, these deals are tailor-made for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Whether you're boosting safety, convenience, or style, there's something for everyone. Don't wait. These discounts are only here for a limited time. Buckle up and dive into the savings before they're gone. The Wolfbox G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam redefines what a dash cam can do by integrating cutting-edge technology into an elegant design. This 12-inch touchscreen mirror combines a front 4K camera and a 1080p rear camera for an unparalleled recording experience, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. Beyond its sleek appearance, the device is packed with features like superior night vision, GPS tracking, and real-time parking assistance, making it an all-in-one safety solution. The anti-glare display ensures clear visibility even in direct sunlight, while the intuitive interface allows you to navigate effortlessly through functions like loop recording and emergency video locks. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or parking in tight spots, this dash cam ensures peace of mind with its reliable performance and innovative design. Astro AI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Compact yet powerful, the Astro AI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a must-have tool for every car owner, ensuring you're always ready for emergencies. With its high-performance motor, this inflator can pump up car tires to 100 psi in just minutes, making it ideal for cars, bikes, and inflatables. Its precision digital gauge eliminates guesswork, displaying accurate pressure readings with an easy-to-use interface. Built to endure the rigors of daily use, the inflator features a robust construction and a long hose for added convenience. It's lightweight and portable, allowing you to store it easily in your trunk or garage. Whether you're preparing for a road trip or handling an unexpected flat, this inflator ensures safety and efficiency at your fingertips. The Coverado car seat covers full set is a perfect combination of elegance and functionality, offering your car interior a luxurious upgrade while protecting the seats from everyday wear and tear. Made from premium leatherette material, these covers are designed to resist stains, spills, and fading, making them ideal for families, pet owners, and anyone who values their car's interior. The ergonomic fit ensures they blend seamlessly with your vehicle's design, while the perforated surface enhances breathability for maximum comfort. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the detailed instructions and compatibility with most vehicle models, including airbag systems. Durable stitching and a sleek design make these covers not only a protective accessory, but also a style statement, transforming your vehicle into a plush, personalized space. Avid Power Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor delivers top-tier performance in a compact and user-friendly design, making it a reliable companion for all your inflating needs. This device boasts a powerful motor capable of quickly inflating tires, balls, or other inflatables with a maximum pressure of 150 psi. Its built-in digital gauge ensures precise pressure control, while the auto shutoff function prevents overinflation, giving you peace of mind. The portable design includes a rechargeable battery, allowing for cordless operation, and an LED light for visibility during nighttime emergencies. Built to last with high-quality materials, this inflator is a versatile tool, whether you're on a camping trip, tackling roadside emergencies, or simply maintaining your vehicle at home. The Kayme 6 Layers SUV car cover is an exceptional solution for protecting your vehicle from the elements while ensuring durability and ease of use. Constructed with 6 layers of high-density materials, including aluminum and PEVA fabric, it offers superior protection against UV rays, rain, snow, and dust. The waterproof design keeps your car dry during heavy rains, while the anti-UV coating shields the paint from sun damage. Its snug fit, reinforced with adjustable straps and elasticized edges, ensures the cover stays securely in place even in windy conditions. The soft inner lining protects your car's finish from scratches, making it a perfect choice for maintaining the vehicle's pristine condition. Thoughtfully designed with side zipper access and reflective strips for nighttime visibility, this car cover is the ultimate guardian for your SUV, whether it's parked indoors or outdoors. The VEVOR portable diesel tank offers an efficient and secure way to transport and dispense diesel fuel, making it an invaluable tool for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With a robust capacity of 58 gallons, this tank is crafted from durable polyethylene, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to corrosion. It features a powerful 12-volt pump with an automatic nozzle for effortless fuel transfer, while the integrated air vent prevents pressure buildup for smooth operation. Compact and portable, the tank comes with sturdy handles and wheels, making it easy to maneuver even when fully loaded. Whether you're refueling heavy machinery, generators, or off-road vehicles, the VEVOR portable diesel tank simplifies fuel management with its practical design and reliable functionality. The PULIDIKI car cleaning gel transforms car cleaning into a hassle-free experience with its innovative gel-based design. Perfect for tackling hard-to-reach spots, this gel molds effortlessly into vents, crevices, and intricate areas, picking up dust, dirt, and crumbs with precision. Its non-sticky formula ensures mess-free cleaning, while the reusable design allows for multiple uses, making it an eco-friendly choice. Safe for use on electronics and delicate surfaces, this cleaning gel is ideal not only for car interiors, but also for home and office gadgets. Compact and easy to store, the PULIDIKI cleaning gel is a versatile and effective tool for maintaining a spotless car interior without the need for complex equipment or sprays. Lysen for iPhone 16 MagSafe. The Lysen MagSafe mount for iPhone 16 combines convenience and style into a secure and user-friendly phone holder for your car. Featuring a powerful magnetic design, it ensures a firm grip on your device while enabling easy attachment and detachment with one hand. The 360-degree rotatable head allows for effortless adjustments, providing the perfect viewing angle for navigation, calls, or music control. Built with premium materials, this mount offers durability and a sleek aesthetic that complements your car interior. The non-slip silicone base ensures stability even on bumpy roads, making it an ideal companion for tech-savvy drivers seeking a seamless, hands-free experience on the go. Cordless Impact. The Seesii Cordless Impact wrench is a powerhouse tool designed to handle the toughest jobs with ease. Delivering an impressive torque of up to 1,000 millimeters, 738 feet-pounds, it effortlessly loosens or tightens even the most stubborn bolts and nuts, making it a must-have for automotive repairs, construction, and heavy-duty tasks. Equipped with a brushless motor, it ensures superior performance, extended runtime, and reduced wear. The ergonomic grip and lightweight design reduce hand fatigue, while the variable speed control provides precision for different applications. Its rechargeable battery ensures portability and uninterrupted operation, making this impact wrench a reliable and efficient solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The VIAIR 400P portable compressor kit is the ultimate heavy-duty solution for inflating tires on the go, designed to meet the demands of off-roaders and overland enthusiasts. This portable powerhouse can inflate tires up to 35 inches with an impressive 150 psi max pressure, delivering speed and reliability in critical situations. The durable, all-metal construction ensures it stands up to rugged conditions, while the built-in thermal overload protector guards against overheating. The kit includes a 25-foot air hose, sand tray, and battery clamps, making it versatile for a wide range of applications. Compact and easy to store, the VEVOR 400P is an essential tool for anyone seeking peace of mind on long road trips or rough terrains. Sleek, compact, and powerful, the Fanttik Slim V8 Mate cordless car vacuum makes maintaining a spotless car interior easier than ever. This lightweight vacuum delivers a strong suction power of up to 9,000 pPa, effectively picking up dirt, debris, and pet hair from carpets, seats, and crevices. Its cordless design and long-lasting battery provide up to 30 minutes of runtime, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. With a slim nozzle and multiple attachments, it effortlessly reaches tight spaces, while the washable HEPA filter ensures long-term performance. Modern and minimalist in design, the Fanttik Slim V8 Mate combines functionality with portability, making it the ideal cleaning companion for busy drivers. Tesla Model Y snow chains. Designed specifically for the Tesla Model Y, the DEDC snow chains provide unmatched traction and stability for navigating icy and snowy roads. Crafted from high-strength steel and TPU material, these chains are durable yet lightweight, ensuring they won't damage your tires or rims. The anti-skid pattern and strong grip design enhance braking and acceleration performance, giving you confidence in extreme winter conditions. Easy to install without moving the car, these chains save time and effort while offering superior safety. Compact and easy to store, the DEDC snow chains are a must-have accessory for Tesla owners in regions prone to harsh winters. Simniam Large Trunk Organizer for car. The Simniam Large Trunk Organizer is a versatile and durable solution for keeping your car's storage space neat and organized. Built with heavy-duty Oxford fabric and reinforced stitching, it's designed to withstand heavy loads and daily wear. The multi-compartment design, complete with removable dividers, provides customizable storage for groceries, tools, sports gear, or emergency supplies. Anti-slip pads on the bottom ensure it stays securely in place, even during sharp turns or bumpy rides. With convenient carrying handles and a collapsible design for easy storage, the Simniam Trunk Organizer combines practicality and durability to transform your car trunk into a well-organized space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell for more car tech videos and amazing deals. See you next time.